Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to use dark theme in YouTube Studio and how to change notification settings in YT Studio. So let's start our video. So many of our YouTubers use YouTube Studio to see analytics and customize their videos. So I'm going to show you about YouTube Studio. So open YouTube Studio. Now I am in dark mode. How to change into dark mode? So first you click here, settings. Here I have clicked here to dark theme. Now if you click, now you can see it's a light theme. Again I want to go to dark theme, go here and just on it. See here you can use dark theme. Now how to change notification settings. For comments, here we have three options. Get a notification for each comment, get notifications for important comments, turn off notification for all comments. We can keep anyone. For example, I'm keeping as all. We can all another option then notify media, push notifications. So I have on it. So in this I have told you how to use dark theme and how to change notification settings in YouTube Studio. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon to get notifications of my videos. Don't forget to like this video and share this video. Thank you.